Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. We got the new exhaust in the car and I'm just going for a little late night drive right now. So I was like, you know what, I'll just pick up the camera for y'all. It is freezing outside. I'm gonna put my windows down just a little bit so y'all can hear what's up. But yeah, I'm in love with the new exhaust, bro. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna drop the setting video really soon, but I just want this video to be purely of the exhaust. But yeah, like the reveal video I did was I didn't have the settings I liked, but now I tweaked around with it a little bit and it's way better. I know it's hella windy and I don't have my wind thing on my mic, so I apologize, but that is a crazy view. Can't even go right. Damn, since when they changed that, bro? I almost went too because I wasn't even looking. Let me try to make y'all hear the intake. There should be a little tunnel under here. I haven't heard this thing in a tunnel yet, so this is gonna be my first reaction too. I'm put that shit all the way down. Man, there's someone under there. Shit. God damn. I did not want to do it with the person under there, but I could not resist. That shit sounds too good. Cop lights? Nah, that's an ambulance. Shit, another tunnel? Let's get it. Yo, that thing is f***ing crazy. Let me pull up in this little spot. I need to clean my camera off, bro. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Quick little cold start. Oh, let me put it in Sport Plus first, actually. Yeah. Downshifts or something else. Man, that thing is loud. This is my loudest car I've ever owned. This is my first time too, like having an actual exhaust in a car. Yo, an exhaust is a must, trust me. This is my first time, and y'all are probably like, I know a lot of people are probably doing like muffler, resonator deletes, but when you get an exhaust, it is a different ball game. Whatever car I get next, I have to have an exhaust on it. Probably think I'm making hella noise out here. He said again. I like when people are cool like that. Some people get mad, but they're hella cool. Damn, that shit sounds good. I don't even think the camera is doing justice right now. This shit sounds menacing, yo. Damn. That shit's crazy. I'm waking everyone up. It's not even that late though, it's only 9 o'clock. Gunshots on gunshots, G. Is that a cop behind me? Nah, I don't think so. That was a long overrun, bro. I know y'all are waiting for that setting video like crazy. I'm gonna drop it soon. I'm gonna record that video tomorrow. I'm gonna probably drop this one tomorrow. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. So if y'all are seeing this on New Year's Eve, I recorded this video on the 30th, and I'm gonna make the setting video tomorrow. I'm gonna record it tomorrow and probably drop it on New Year's Day, hopefully, if I keep up the schedule with everything. Little launch control. Nah, not right here. I'm gonna do it on this street. I don't want to do it around the turn. Let me see, no one up there. Aight. God damn, speed bump. You get you a straight pipe B58, bro. You will not regret this shit. But yo, that's gonna be enough pulls for tonight, because I am pretty much where I'm going to right now. But hopefully I'll enjoy the video. Let me give y'all one. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Catch y'all again in the next one.